The safety of personnel depends on the implementation of adequate safety switches. Emergency stop switches are crucial for conveyor systems. These switches provide a vital layer of protection against injury and equipment damage by immediately halting conveyor operations when activated. Selecting the appropriate emergency stop switch involves considering factors like location and operating conditions. The Ingress Protection Rating, or IP rating, determines the switch's suitability for different environments, be it indoor or outdoor. The material composition of the emergency stop switch enclosure is also critical for hazardous areas that are susceptible to explosions. Pull wire switches are activated by pulling a wire, cutting off power instantly. They come in dual and single-sided formats. Dual-sided switches cover larger distances, while single-sided ones are ideal for shorter conveyors due to their limited pull wire length. Australian and New Zealand dictate specifications like maximum pull force and distance. Belt alignment switches prevent damage from belt mistracking. They feature two-stage activation, an alarm warning, and a shutdown contact. This setup alerts operators to misalignment and stops the conveyor if the belt strays too far. Pull wire switches are mounted horizontally, while belt drift switches offer flexible mounting options, ensuring compliance and safety. Contact Kinder to get guidance on the selection and installation of conveyor safety switches to prevent human injury and machinery damage.